Hi friends, in previous video I have explained about income tax slabs for the financial year 24-25, assessment year 25-26. In this video, on the basis of slabs introduced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, I have generated income tax calculator for the financial year 24-25. I have taken three examples. One is 7 lakhs above and 10 lakhs above, 7 to 10 lakhs with house property. What is the calculation we'll get to new tax regime and as well as old tax regime? Let's see. First, 7 lakhs above income. Example I have taken Raju and the age is 35 years. Here his actual income is I have taken roughly his Raju income is 7 lakh 42 561. The calculation of old tax regime as well as new tax regime can be seen left and right side. First we discuss about old tax regime. Raju has 7 lakh 42 561 is income and the standard deduction as per the income tax rules it is 50,000 and provisional tax deduction is 2,400. The deduction is 52,400 and gross total income is 6 lakhs 90 161. Mr. Raju has ATC deduction is 1 lakh 50 as well as he has health insurance also under section 80D. Total deduction comes to 1 lakh 54 55 400. So total taxable income here comes under 5 lakhs 34 761. As per the calculation sheet, he has to pay 20,230 in old regime. We'll see now in new tax regime what is the calculation will be appear. Same income is 7 lakhs 42 561. Here the standard deduction financial year 24-25 it was increased to 75,000. Here the gross total income is 6 lakhs 71 561. As per new tax regime there is no deductions. ATC no without savings it was calculated and the taxable income is completely 6 lakhs 67 561. So as per new tax regime, the tax applicable is zero because it is 7 lakhs below. So by seeing this calculation, old tax is 20,231 230 he has to pay. In new tax it is zero. So we can opt easily by seeing this. Simply we can go to new tax regime. As well as same thing if it is the income is more than 7 lakhs. We'll see here. Here I have taken same Raju. Age is 45. The income is I have taken 1 lakh 12,000, 11 lakhs 20,589 in the old tax regime. 50,000 deduction, 2,400 same as is. With house property, he has for house property of 2 lakhs. So deduction under house property, I have taken 2 lakhs. Total income is 868, 189, and he has under ATC with saving that is 1 lakh 50 and ATD health insurance 7,800. After deduction, the taxable income comes under 7 lakh 10,389. Now, as per the calculation, he has to pay 56,761. Now we will see new tax regime. Same income I have taken here as per standard deduction for the financial 24-25 75,000. Chargeable income will comes under 10 lakhs 45,589 and there is no savings. New tax regime taxable income is 10 lakhs 45 589. As per the calculation, he has to pay 59,111. By comparing old tax regime and new tax regime, here 56,761 old tax regime is benefited. As per my experience, I will tell you one thing: if you have house tax plus savings plus health insurance, you just go for old tax regime only. You will benefited old tax regime only compared to new tax. Another example without house tax. Raju, same thing. I have taken some actual income is it's getting 1 lakh 30, 13 lakhs 3,652 in old tax regime, 50,000 to 400, 50,000 2,400 and a professional tax. ATC, he got some savings 1 lakh 13,000 and ATD is 7,800, 1 lakh 21,000. Your taxable income is come down to 11 lakhs 29 476 As per calculation, he has to pay 1,57,397 in old tax regime. Now we'll see new tax regime. Same income, standard deduction 75,000, and the gross total income will be 12,28,652. There is no savings as per new tax regime, and the calculation as per new tax regime, he has to pay 89,160. Here, compared to old tax regime, new tax regime is benefited. So, as per this, he can opt, he can go for old tax regime or new tax. Clearly, it is clearly mentioned, it is clearly seeing that new tax regime will be benefited. So, as per this calculation, as per three calculation, you can opt option 1 or option 2 by this Excel sheet. I think understood this calculation sheet. If you got any queries, you just comment in the comment box. I will try to rectify the query. Calculation sheet given in description box. You can download and use the calculation sheet. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.
Prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, keep my head up when I